Третий класс, английский язык, Звездный Английский, домашнее задание. Принеси мне мое кольцо, часть вторая, страница 18, 19, 20. English, Starlight 3, Bring me my ring, homework, part number 2, page number 18, 19, 20. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I am your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. I am afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly, it's wonderful. I am afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly, it's wonderful. It's terrible. Don't be silly. It's terrible. Don't be silly. I'm afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly. It's wonderful. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 18. Phonics. Exercise number 1. Read the word sentences first to yourself, then aloud. Прочтите слова предложений сначала про себя, затем вслух. Bring, ring, king, sing, thing. Bring, bring me my rings. Bring me my rings and sing. Bring me my rings and sing, says the king. Ow, wow, now, how, bow, brown, tower, flower, shower. Wow, a brown flower on a brown tower. How can a brown flower be on top of a brown tower? Bow to the brown flower on top of the brown tower. Chair, chi, chess, champion, Charlie, cherry, reach, touch. Charlie is not rich, but he is a cheer champion. Cherry likes Charlie. Cherry wants to be a chess champion just like Charlie. Don't touch that chair, Cherry. That's Charlie's chair. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Fix the letters to spell the words. Read them to your friend. Исправьте буквы, чтобы составить слова. Прочтите их своему другу. The answer. Ring, chess. Brown, sing. Reach, tower. Boys and girls, do exercise number 3. Sing. Спойте. The rich king, now in the tower, is a champion at chess and sings in the shower. Bow to the king. Cheer for the champion. Bow to the king. Cheer for the champion. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 19. Checkpoint. Exercise number 1. What's in the bedroom? Look and put a tick or a cross. Что есть в спальне? Посмотрите и поставьте галочку или крестик. Radio. The answer: wardrobe, bed, bookcase, sofa, mirror, computer, phone, TVX. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 2. Read and complete. Прочитайте и дополните. This is Sam. His house is big. The answer: this is Fiona. Her bed is pink. I am Barry. This is his computer. We are Mary and Lisa. Our hands are dirty. Jimmy, is this your book? My dear friends, we must do exercise number 3. Now look again and choose. Теперь снова посмотрите на упражнение 1 и выберите. There's a radio on the bed. The answer: there's a bookcase behind the bed. There's a computer on the desk. There's an umbrella under the bed. There's a phone under the desk. There's a chair behind the desk. Now I can say the names of the things in my room, house. Say where things are. Write about my room in English. Write about my room in English. I love my new bedroom. My bed is very big. I've got a small TV in my room. I've got a computer. It's on the desk next to my bed. I can do my homework on it or play computer game in the afternoon. It's really cool. My dear friends, open your books, please. Page number 20. In the old house. Exercise number 1. Listen, point and repeat. Послушайте, покажите и повторите. House. Ghost. Spider. Door. Frog. Bathroom. Living room. Kitchen. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 2. Which letter is it? Read and find out. Какая это буква? Прочтите и узнайте. It's in girl and in game. It's the letter G. It's in kitchen and in tool. It's the letter T. There's one in star, but 2 in glass. It's the letter S. There's one in frog, but 2 in bathroom. It's the letter O. It's in hot and in chair. It's the letter H. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 3. Reorder the letters. What's the word? Поменяйте порядок букв. Что это за слово? The answer: ghost. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow,
Spring is green,